Hi guys, Lawrence Stratton here. We're going to be taking a look at my brand new LiPo charger. As you can see, it's the Equilibrium 3.5. It can charge LiPos, all sorts of lithium batteries, NiCads, NEMAs, and even lead acid. It works on a range of 11 to 18 volts. And it can charge up to 6 amps on a 6-cell LiPo, down to a 1-cell LiPo, and 1 to 16 cell NiCads, or NiCads, NEMAs, and lead acids. So when you get the box, you got all the stats are written just there on it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the box and get stuff out as it comes out. Unfortunately you guys won't be able to see it due to my new camera mount. So first thing we get, manual. Now I know that's written in up to definitely 3 languages, and I'm assuming it's 6 as there are 6 languages on the box. So you've got all your specifications and safety notes and all how to use the charger. So put that one to one side and get out the main event. Now this is the charger that I can't move far enough back. So there's the charger. It's quite simple to use. 1 screen, 4 buttons. It's got stop button, start button, decrease, increase button. Now on the side you have where you can plug a computer into it to look at all these stats if you're a techie guy and like that kind of stuff. You've got in the middle a temperature gauge port, and on the side you've got where you plug your power pack into. Now if we turn it around and give you the other end, we've got 2 banana plugs, positive and negative obviously, and a LiPo balancing. Now something about this charger that I didn't see on my old charger, it just uses 1 balancing port and has a balance board. So that's the charger. It's fairly nice looking. So we're just going to put that to a side. Now we'll take out the back section of the box and see what's in it. We have a lead to plug into your computer, so the small end goes into your charger and the big USB goes into your computer. So put that aside. What have we got here? Oh, now this is quite nice. This will be used for charging at the field. Top plug there goes into your charger where your power pack would go into. Then you connect the 2 banana plugs up to something like a 12 volt lead acid battery, but on my last charger I used half a T-Rex 600 battery and connected it up to. We'll put that across there. What else have we got on here? Alright, we got a power pack lead. Only 1/2 of the lead I've found so far, so I'm assuming that the other half's in there somewhere. So we'll chuck that across there. What we got under this next lid? Oh, that looked like balancing boards, and they are. Now this balancing board I recognise because it's just the standard 2 to 6 cell balancing board. So we got there. Pop that to one side. This one I don't recognise. It's called a JP/SP FP adapter. It's for 4 cells, 5 cells, and a what looks to be a 6 cell. Where it's split down into a 2 and a 3. Put that to one side and see what else we've got in here. We've got the other half of the power pack, so it's good to see that's in there. That's just a normal laptop power pack by the looks of things. And what else have we got in here? We've got another balance board that just looks to be different. This is a HP/PQ adapter. I'm not sure what that stands for, but sorry, I was not sure what that stands for, but they do look a different connector to the usual ones. And it looks like the 4, the 3 and the 2 cell are all the same size. So I'm not sure what that is. Just have a quick look to see if anything else is in the box. Can't see anything in there. Right, I'll pop that down to the side. Now I've got an old power pack lead here from my previous charger. And we'll get that up and plug it in. So what does it come up with when you first plug it in? Falling over. It tells you it's a Equilibria charger. Now I'm just going to put it back to the select screen. I'm not sure whether you can see that. It gives you a choice of selecting from LiPos, Li-on batteries, Life batteries, NEMAs, NiCads, lead acids, and then you can go into digital power or user settings. Now we're just going to select it on LiPo batteries because I have here an OptiPower 3-cell battery for a T-Rex 250. The helicopter's featured in some of my videos and it can be easily recognisable by its funky pink skids. So one thing the kit doesn't come with is banana leads for plugging into your charger. But as I demonstrated, it has got the slots for them. So we'll just pull it back here, and red in the top and black in the bottom. Select it onto charge. So we'll find out the balance board, the JST balance board. Got that. That just plugs into the side. It just plugs in. Into the side there. And I will connect the battery up to the 3-cell port. You can't get these in the wrong way around due to the shape of the connector if you're new to LiPos. So here I can select it by pressing start. Yeah, as I thought. It flashes the cell number and I'll take that to 3. The capacity, which will be 850 milliamps. But we'll set it to 800 and we'll set the amps of charging to 1.6. Hit start, hold start and it makes the beep noise. It asks you if you're sure. Press enter and it just starts charging like so. Now I'm not going to give you a few minutes of that charging. I'm just going to hit the stop button. That comes back to there. Now that's the only batteries I have that I can demonstrate on LiPos. So yeah, that's the Equilibria 3.5 battery charger. And that's about all I can say on it really. So I'll just leave you with a little fact that coming up in a while in my videos will be the unboxing, build and test flight, hopefully, if I can go ahead with it, of a T-Rex 550, but that will be in about a year. So if you want to subscribe now, in case you don't see any more videos of mine to subscribe on, then you won't miss out on the build. I'll do that step by step and one video for each instruction unless they're incredibly short. So I'm Lawrence Stratton, this has been a review of the Equilibria 3.5 and I'll see you in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe.